Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today we look at the genuine accessories that Tata offers for their newly launched Sierra. So without any delay, let's get started. This brochure is divided into various sections such as Sierra Rock, Rock Plus, Signature Kit, Essential Kit, in-cabin comfort, some smart upgrades, and lifestyle and camping accessories. Let's look at all of them one by one. First is the Sierra Rock. In this, you get some add-ons such as front grille add-on, body decals, fender garnish, wheel cladding, bug deflector, body decals, hood scoop, and tailgate cladding. Bear in mind that most of these do not serve a functional purpose, except for the bug deflector. All of these only enhance the look of the vehicle. They might make the vehicle look a bit more bulkier than it is, and getting this is totally up to you. It's just a personal preference. This is not a must buy. In the Sierra Rock kit, you also get window line cladding, front skid plate, and rear skid plate, which again just serve a cosmetic upgrade, not a functional purpose. Next is the Sierra Rock Plus. In this, you get roof luggage carrier and ladder. If you're getting a variant that has the sunroof, then this carrier will eliminate the purpose of the sunroof. But if you're someone who travels a lot and has a lot of luggage, you can absolutely get this. The ladder will also make it look like a mini Defender. Next is the signature kit. In this, you get some chrome elements such as the Humanity Line black chrome, fog lamp garnish, body side molding, tailgate garnish, and window line. Now, this is not the traditional chrome, it's black chrome, so it's not as shiny as regular chrome, but I'm not a big fan. Next is the essential kit. In this, you get air freshener, screen guard, scuff plates, 3D floor mats, door visor, car cover, and mud flaps. Out of these, I feel that the screen guard, the floor mats, and the mud flaps are the only must haves. Air freshener, scuff plate, door visor, and car cover are something that depends upon your personal need. I will also provide a link for the screen guard and floor mats down in the description, so be sure to check it out. Next is the in-cabin comfort where Tata offers the seat covers, but if you're getting an upper variant that has the leatherite seats, then you don't need to get this. Tata also offers more types of mats such as 7D floor mat, 3D floor mat, and carpet floor mat. Personally, I do recommend getting floor mats from the company because they ensure perfect finish and fit for your car. If you get these mats aftermarket, they don't always provide the perfect finish and fit, so a part of your floor still remains uncovered. Next, you get sunshades, a smart parcel tray, and headrest cushions. Now, bear in mind that sunshades are illegal in India when the car is in motion. So, if you're getting this, make sure to only put them on when the car is stationary and not moving. Some smart upgrades include a dash cam, an advanced dash cam, a three-way dash cam, rear seat entertainment, puddle lamp, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, I do not know the quality of these dash cams, but if you want a very good dash cam, I'll put the link in the description. The rear seat entertainment screen is something that I've seen for the first time in an Indian brand's accessory brochure. The wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto dongle is not something you need if you're getting an upper variant because they already do have wireless connectivity. I think only the base variant doesn't get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but I'll be sure to double check and I'll let you know. The puddle lamp is also mainly for looks. It looks good that when you open the door, the logo is projected on the road. Next are the lifestyle and camping accessories. In this, you get tailgate camping seat with cup holders so that you can open your boot and sit and enjoy the view. Next, you also have this pop-up tent, but you can get this aftermarket. It might have better quality and you might even get it cheaper. The camping accessories also include inflatable bed, inflatable sofa, microwave oven, espresso maker, and air fryer. These are all things that you can get aftermarket for a better price and better quality. Emergency toolkit is something that is very important, but jack and wrench are normally included with the vehicle, and I'll link a really good tire inflator in the description that is super easy to use and not super expensive. You also get foldable seat, refrigerator, foldable chair, and a tire table. These are all really unique accessories, and I'm seeing these for the first time by an Indian automaker. While all of these accessories are really unique, these are not must buys. You can get them only if you need them. Then for your little buddies, you get pet sheet, pet seat belt, pet barrier, and a feed bowl. Again, all of these easily available aftermarket. Lastly, you have umbrella defend me tool, chargers, inverter, air freshener, and God's blessings. So, these were all the accessories that Tata offers for the Sierra. The benefit is that these get up to 2 years of warranty. They have no impact on your warranty and are installed by trained technicians. If you get any of the accessories aftermarket, warranty is a concern as most aftermarket dealers do not provide warranty. I told you all the must get accessories and I'll also link them down in the description if you want to get them from Amazon. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below your views on the Tata Sierra. Like, share and subscribe for more such content. Drive safe and have a happy journey.